And here we have Alya. And this poor, sweet little girl was found running the streets. Because apparently she was dumped. Yeah, and she's a sweet girl. And then also she was matted and full of fleas and ticks and mats. Yeah, and she's so sweet, you're a good girl. You can kind of tell she has not been handled a lot, but she is on the submissive side and she has warmed up a lot just in the last hour to where she decided she wanted to crawl in Lisa's lap. So you know these little poodles or snoodles or fluffy foo-foo dogs, they said we like to bond with people. Yes. And she said they cut my hair and she won't look at me. You gotta look up here, like, oh, there you go. And I think she's gonna be the type that will totally bond with you. I think she's got some of that poodle personality where she gets really bonded to her family. But she's a nice dog. She says, I kind of want to get down and go run around. And you can tell she just hasn't been handled a lot. So she gets she says, I get a little shy. I don't know what you're doing. And I want to get down. Yeah. She says, but I'll learn to love you. I'll be your sweet girl. And I love to play. She's very attached to Charlotte. She does great with other dogs. Yeah. So Alya is about 1.5 years, 2 years old. And she's 17 pounds. And I don't know, I have a feeling that she was probably purchased as a puppy and someone just didn't know how to take care of her. And it's so sad because she's so beautiful. And she's bonded with Lisa just in the last hour. She says, I bonded. And she is on the submissive side, even though she got a little scared when Lisa picked her up. And she is puppy, and she does have some puppy energy. So another dog would not be a necessity, but another dog would be a definite plus for her because she loves other dogs. She says, I'm a young girl, and I want to get down and play. You got to be careful with real fast movements. She'll get a little scared, but she'll learn to get used to that. She says, I'll learn to get used to it. Yeah. And we're making her sit here and get her pictures taken, and she's doing really good. And here comes Alya. And she's a wonderful, happy little poodle snoodle. She's about 2 years old, and she's, I think, 16, 17 pounds long-legged. She said, I'm looking for a toy. Come here, baby. Oh, what does she have? I think that's something she's not supposed to have.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's got a present. So we have Nova and Alya and they got bonded. They were here together. They did not come in together.
They did not?
No, but Alya's all worried about what you're doing with Charlotte because they've been kenneled together. That's my friend. That's my girlfriend. What are you doing? Say, what are you doing? Say, don't do nothing. And then what do you? You have to be in the middle of everything. You're so cute. Here's our Alya, our sweet little girl. She wants down. She says there's all kinds of stuff to see in here, and I want down to play. She's about a year and a half old and 17 pounds.